Discuss. First, good evening to all of you guys. I am speaking a speech on persistence. The power of persistence. There is word for consistent daily action. You know that word is persistent, and it's probably one of the most underused and underrated words in the entire dictionary. The best definition of persistent I have heard comes from Newt Gingrich, who says persistent is the hard work you do after you get tired of doing the hard work you already did. In the other word, persistent may not be glamorous, but it sure gets the job done. I think too many Americans today overvalue talent and overvalue persistence. We think that only super talented people make it big in this country, but nothing. Sorry. We think that only the super talented people make it big in this country, but nothing could be further from the truth. For every super talented successful person like Michael Jordan, there are thousands of successful people who made it on sheer guts, determination and persistence. Sorry. Coronel Standards of Kentucky Fried Chicken fame is perfect example. Coronel Standards didn't even start his worldwide enterprise until he retired from the railroad when he was over 60. Over 16. And he drove thousands of miles, stopping at every roadside restaurants along the way to see if the owner would buy his chicken recipe. More often than not, Standards ended up sleeping in his car because couldn't afford a motel room. Colonel Standards was rejected by nearly 500 places before a kind restaurant owner took pity on him and allowed him to demo his process. Today there are thousands of Kentucky Fried Chicken franchises in hundreds of countries all over the world. But he was best cook in the world. He wasn't the most brilliant businessman in the world either. If he had been, he would have owned the railway road. They employed him as a laborer for 40 plus years. But he was without a doubt one of the most persistent people in the world. And it was persistent, not talent. A wise man once remarked, perseverance is not a long race, it's many short race, one after the other. Think about it, in the confrontation between the stream always win by. As Shakespeare put it, much rain wears down the marble. The simple truth of the matter is that persistent efforts will always triumph in the end. Now, discipline. There is no doubt that human is like an animal, and most undisciplined person on the earth. Even in nature, nothing works without discipline. The animal or birds don't overeat and oversleep. They perform the daily task with discipline. Have you ever seen a lion suffering from constipation? Absolutely not. Only a man keeps on consuming alcohol in excess even when the doctor wants him not to. He keeps on smoking cigarette even when he knows that nicotine is killing him. He would eat sugar, sweet, oily food even when he is diabetic. Thank you.